What are the best hoverboards under $200? Here are my full reviews of the best hoverboards under $200. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Tomalu Hoverboard. One thing you'll notice if you start looking into hoverboard marketing is the effort that manufacturers go to convince customers that their batteries and chargers are safe. Practically all vendors now include some kind of safety guarantee or certification for their products, designed to put consumers at ease, and Tomalu is no exception. It wants people to know that its Hoverfly Ion LED hoverboard is safe. When Tomalu was designing the Hoverfly, it's clear that they had ease of use in mind. They wanted to create a product that anyone could step on and go, without a learning curve. In many ways, hoverboards are dangerous. They're a bit like skateboards. If you don't know what you're doing, they can roll out from underneath you, causing you to fall flat on your fanny. But Tomalu's Hoverfly is self-balancing, meaning that when you stand on it, it'll always face the right way, making the behavior of the device more predictable underfoot. If you're used to a hoverboard where you have to balance, it'll take some time getting used to the Hoverfly. But if you're a beginner, then Tomalu has you covered. This is about as close to an entry-level self-balancing scooter as you're ever going to get. Like many other vendors in the industry, Tomalu wants to up the bling factor while using its products. The hoverboard comes with a series of RGB lighting options, making you look extra cool as you ride it at night. And the thick chunky tires inspire confidence. There is a slight issue with the product though, the fact that it doesn't issue a warning before the battery dies. You can be rolling along quite merrily and then all of a sudden the battery fails, blindsiding you. If you're a beginner, this can be even more alarming because not only does the drive stop, but so too does the balancing mechanism. To be sure, this is one of the best hoverboards for kids, thanks to the fun lighting and self-balancing. Tomalu has made something that feels intuitive. It will serve as an excellent confidence-inspiring first board for many people. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. XPRIT Hoverboard with Bluetooth speaker. XPRIT realized early on in the development process that the thing people want from entry-level hoverboards is customization. Customers, especially kids, want to be able to choose the color of their board and have something that says something about who they are. XPRIT's hoverboard, therefore, comes in a range of colors, including a bunch that we don't often see in the hoverboard market, such as multicolor camo. The artistry doesn't end with the paint job either. XPRIT has taken the time to embed LED lights wherever it can, including the wheels and the front of the board. Part of the motivation to do this has to do with safety, and part of it has to do with the cool factor. It just looks great when this board rolls in the dark. There's another feature of this hoverboard that makes it unique, the inbuilt Bluetooth speakers. You can hook the XPRIT up to your device and stream music as you cruise along, providing an extra element to the experience. It's something that both kids and adults will love, though an adult on this board might be pushing it a little. The XPRIT, however, has had some reliability issues. Problems include random failures of the motor, issues with the longevity of the battery, and broken paneling. If you look after the XPRIT, it'll provide all the functions you could imagine. But you have to look after it well, which might not be practical for children. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. EPCTEK 6.5 inches hoverboard. EPCTEK's emphasis with their 6.5 hoverboard is on style. The company put a lot of time and effort into crafting a device that looks beautiful whenever you take it out, day or night. It comes with a selection of stylish matte finish color and expertly integrated grip pads for the feet. One of the main draws of EPCTEK's offering is the powerful 300 watts motor. Yes, it puts more demand on the battery unit, but it also means that going uphill shouldn't be a problem. The powerful motor can winch you up a steep climb, even if you're overweight. The maximum speed of the board is around 8 miles per hour, so about the pace of a quick jog. EPC Tech offer their hoverboard in two versions, one with Bluetooth and one without, depending on your needs. It's a smart move. Not everybody wants to have the ability to blast music out from their hoverboard as they glide along, while others quite like the idea of bringing back the days of the portable ghetto blaster. The product is, in many ways, similar to the XPRIT. It comes in a range of colors, though not quite the same variety, and gives you the ability to listen to music as you ride along, which is a nice touch. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Swagtron Swagboard Twist. Perhaps the most unusual thing about the Swagtron Swagboard Twist is the fact that it comes without a lithium-ion battery. Wait a second, there's an alternative to lithium-ion? It turns out that there is classic lead-acid. Lead-acid batteries are the type of cells that you get in cars. And, yes, as the name suggests, they're full of lead. But Swagtron says that this isn't a problem. The heavy metal is bound up inside the battery compartment and won't leak out all over your kids' sneakers. Going with a lead battery on the Twist is an interesting choice. It sets the Twist apart from the rest of the products in Swagtron's hoverboard range. The upside of the Swagtron, therefore, is that the battery is less likely to explode. The downside is that lead-acid batteries drain faster and are heavier, hence why most manufacturers avoid them. Is the board any good besides the lead batteries? The Twist comes with dual 250 watts motors, and the company claims that it can propel a 90 kg rider up a 30-degree incline. Sure, you'll drain the battery quickly that way, but it's good to know that the board provides the power when you need it. This product, therefore, is for people who are still concerned about lithium-ion and want a better alternative for their kids. It's a safety-conscious buy that offers slightly less performance than the other models on the market. Whether the trade-off is worth it is up to you. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. Hoverstar Hoverboard 6.5 inches. The Hoverstar Hoverboard looks like something out of Disney's Tron, with its futuristic blue lights and angular body design. It is by far the most serious-looking board in the current lineup. Just like the other manufacturers we've seen so far, Hoverstar claims that its board is excellent for children and adults alike, and for the first time, we agree with them. The LED lights on the front of the board make it look good on the road, especially at night. And the relatively tight turning circle makes it easy to navigate tricky situations on the street, such as moving through a crowd. Hoverstar also stands out as a company thanks to its excellent customer service. If there's a problem with your hoverboard, you can send it back to the company for a refund or an exchange. Their customer service department is accommodating. Perhaps the biggest downside of the board is the build quality. Granted, it does come in at well under $200, but some customers have noticed that the casing material can come loose and sometimes the pads under the feet don't respond as expected. The bodywork looks better in the company marketing materials than it appears in real life, which will be a disappointment for some. Is battery life any good? As long as the batteries are functioning as intended, then yes, the board has a good range and will reach speeds of 7 miles per hour. But charging times might be a bit long for some. The company recommends 6 hours. Ultimately, this board is for the casual hoverboarder, whether adult or child, who wants to enjoy the hoverboard experience on the occasional weekend or bright summer day. No, you won't get a premium experience, but you will still get something that looks great. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.